Ticker editor, it is used to edit the linked text file in the ticker. Any ticker, either it is a normal ticker or a scroll ticker or a roll ticker. All text files are edited and created using ticker editor only. The shortcut button of ticker editor is given here in CG. We will use this button to open it. Double clicking on the ticker will also directly open the ticker editor. After opening it, we will see that it is divided into two sections. In this section above, here we will type the manual text or copy it from outside and paste it here. And the section given below, we will use it to translate the text. So let me tell you how to do it. So first of all, I type some text lines here. Before typing text, we need font selection, so it is given here. From here, we select the font. After that, select the font size from here. If we want to keep the font bold, then we do it from here. If you want to keep italic, select it from here. And if you want to put underline, then select it from here. If you want to keep the text strike out, select it from here. I will show you further the use of word wrap. Right now, our text is being typed horizontally. If it has to be shown vertically, then this button is used. Right now we are typing from left to right, but in some languages there is right to left typing like Urdu, so this RTL button is used for that. If you have copied any text and brought it here and there is tabbing somewhere in that text, then this no tab button is used to remove it. If you want to change the transform of the text, then select its direction from this option and click on this button. Leave this blank to return to the default setting. Blank, this will be selected at the top. To save all these settings, apply button is given here, so use it. To translate the text, first select the language in which we have to type. You will select the language from here. After that, from here you will select the language in which you want to translate. And then after typing the text, click on this translate button. As soon as you do this, you will see that the text has been translated and is being shown here. Now after applying, we will see in the preview that this text has started showing. If we have to make a date and time ticker, how will we make it? First of all, let's add a ticker for that. After adding the ticker, double click to enter the text editor. Here till now we have worked on text, now we have to convert it into date and time. So for that, from this option here, we will select date time instead of text. After applying, we will see on the screen that the date and time has appeared in our ticker. The way we have created the date and time ticker. Similarly, we can also create a timer ticker. Create a new ticker. Now open the text editor. Type some lengthy text here. Now if you want to show this text together in the created ticker, then you will use this word wrap function. Then what it will do is divide this text into multiple lines and show it together in that ticker. This was the internal function of our text editor. Now as soon as we click on the external function, we will see that its interface changes. This is an old content maker. To create content in it, first of all, we will add a new line using this button. Now here we type the text. After that, when we save it, it will ask us the path where to save it. Here I name it test and save it on the desktop. So we will see that this content has been saved with the name test. Now I can add and save as many lines as I want here. We will use this button to remove lines. If I want to add an image, which we also call a bullet in the lines, then I will use this button. When you click on the button, the software will ask you for the path. I add this image from here and then save it. If you want to add this image or any other image in all the lines, you will have to repeat the same process for each line. If we want to use two different fonts in one line, then we will add text using this button from here. You will change the font of the text from here. You will change the text size from here. I have already told you in detail about the rest of these buttons and their internal functions. This button is used to type right and left. This button is used to split the line. Word wrap used this button to adjust the length of the line into a smaller ticker. We'll use this button to create new ticker content. We will use this button to load the already created content file here. If there are multiple text columns in a line, these buttons will be used to move them left and right. This button will be used if you want to link a direct text file to the ticker.